Welcome back to our tutorials. We've added new features to the web shop to enhance your shopping experience. Feature 1. We're offering farm direct access. Order flowers that are shipped directly from the growers to you. In the web shop, look for the fourth product button called Farm Direct. Select a ship date and choose New Order and FedEx Ecuador as your carrier. Indicate your address and begin shopping. The star next to items indicates it's a combo box. Click to view the item breakdown. Once you've added your items, review your cart and continue to the checkout page. Since the flowers are shipping direct from Ecuador, there's no service, transportation fee. Once you're all set, click checkout to submit your order. Stay tuned for our next video. And remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss an update.